0 to 60,000 pound challenge. This is like no other challenge. At Deal Hunters, we like to do things a bit differently. We like to try and be fully transparent. We try to cut the crap and just tell you straight up how Amazon FBA works, the good and the bad. Like anything, there is pros and cons. The idea behind the 0 to 60 challenge is unlike the other content creators who say they're going to do a challenge, but after 2 episodes, just stop doing the videos, or don't show you their full results. We're going to actually show you our sales. We're actually going to show you the products that we're buying, and we're going to allow you to come along on the journey with us for free. Welcome back, everyone, to Deal Hunters. That's right. At the start of the video, we said we're going to be able to do this for free. Now, there is a bit of a catch. You will need to use our affiliate links to get this for free. You can have 3 months worth of Deal Hunter sheets for free if you click on any of our partnered links. Look on our website and you will see. This could be used to get free trials of software, Profit Protector Pro, BuyBot Pro, Sellerboard, all the tools that we use. You can get free trials of those tools. No obligation to continue paying them. And if you use our affiliate links, then you will get 2 free weeks. If you don't want to bother with that, or perhaps you're already set up with these types of software packages and you just want to pay, it is £45 or £32 a month if you pay for the year's subscription. If you want to do this along with me, then it is fundamental that you sign up to the deal sheet, because we are buying the deals from the deal sheet. That's the idea. So in the Discord, which is free, click the link down below. You can join the Discord. We have created a group called the 0 to 60 challenge. In this group, allow you to see when and how much I am purchasing as we go along. I have no idea how long it'll take us to get to 0 to 60. I am using a basic, very small budget of £3,000. It all depends on sales. It all depends on the delivery of goods. There's so many factors at play. But the idea is to show you that our deal sheet works. It's also to show you that this can be done on a small, relatively small budget. We are 7 days into the channels, with my first buy happening on the 1st of February, and I have spent £1,000. So we're a third of the budget spent already, which is great, purely buying our deal sheets. Now, the way I'm going to try and show you is, we can't obviously show you the deals on the channel. That would be just idiotic. It would be pointless. So the way we're going to do it is, I'm going to tell you the date and the return on investment that we put on the sheet. That way, anyone that has access to the sheet can see the exact deals that I have bought. And I'm going to go through the reasons behind why I bought them. I'm not going to be able to tell you exactly the product, but I am going to be able to tell you the return on investment to the decimal, and you should be able to locate this product. The first product then, it was on the 1st of the 2nd, and the return on investment for non-VAT, we do have VAT and non-VAT registers, so we're going to go with the return on investment for VAT. It was set at 77%. I bought that deal based on the fact that it has over 100 sales a month as well. I also purchased on the 2nd of the 2nd, the third item on the sheet, which had a ROI of 38.44. I also purchased the next item on that sheet, which had a return on investment of 105, over 100% profit on that one. That one was a taker. Now, it was a bit on the lower end of the sales, 49 a unit, and the previous item had a lower value of about 38. The reason I went with them is because the return on investment was good, and also I know these things sell well, having sold them before. So I suppose that's a wee bit of a cheat that I've been able to resell these things again. Now, within these orders, I've actually bought previous deal sheet orders, and I've used those items to build up my cart, and that's the trick. Well, a lot of these products that we put in, it sometimes says minimum order value for free delivery, £50. And maybe you can only buy 6 or something and it brings you to £40. You don't want to spend £7 on delivery. So search, Control F on the deal sheet, search for that store and find other products that we have put on the deal sheet from 5 months ago. For example, you can find products that are still selling, still profitable, and you can buy and build up your sheet. That's one of the most common questions we get asked is, oh, the minimum order is £49. What do I do? What do I do? That is why we did the video yesterday. If you haven't watched it, check it out. It's understanding deal sheets. You have to let it grow. You have to get a feel for it. You have to get all the deals constantly sent to you, and then eventually you'll build up a good, strong list of goods that you can keep rebuying. Just going to pause there while we're going through this deal sheet. If you're thinking, I would love to be able to track this, well, join our deal sheet. Like I said, the partner links are there. Go straight onto our website to the price section. You can pick any of the pricing tiers that suits your needs, and you can start this today. The next item was on the 3rd of the 2nd. 65.24 was the return on investment. And I really like this one because it sells well And if I ever have to do a removal order, I like having this in my own home. So I'm happy to take the stock that Amazon perhaps can't fulfill. We are having teething problems here because I've just realized the next two orders that I placed actually were from deal sheets prior to February. I bought two orders that were put on the sheet yesterday. That was on the 6th of February. And I got a 43.66 return on investment and a 33.75 return on investment. Key thing is here, this website you actually can get top cash back on. So I got a further discount. Some people like to include that in their return on investment. Personally speaking, I don't. I just put in what I purchased it for it's just so much easier for taxes and deal with that. And then you've got your top cash back as a little extra bonus. Another deal we bought was on the 5th of the 2nd at 33.05. The reason I did that specifically is because we're selling 258 units. I also took a gamble on a really high profitable one. Profit after fees was working out at £11.88. Return on investment is 31.26. You will probably know what that one is. I only bought 3 of them because I don't know how well they will sell, but they looked good, worth a punt for sure. But all in all, we're at about £1,000 spent. We will keep updating the Discord as and when we buy. Hopefully all the members that are in the deal sheet can start to see the kind of deals that I'm buying and the reason that I'm buying them. I made it very, very clear in the previous video. When we started this challenge, my goal is to try and buy products that will sell quick. It's the only way to add up the money. I don't really care so much about the return on investment as long as the product's going to come in and go out. It's the only way to build up that cash pile. When I started Amazon FBA, it was never a goal to sell as much as possible, make loads of money. It was just, I'm going to start this casually and get it go. So I'm excited to see how quickly I can make this. Please comment down below. How quick do you think we will get to £60,000? I have absolutely no idea. I'm hoping we will do it in 6 to 8 months based on this pace, but I really don't know how much it's going to snowball. £3,000 is not a lot of money to invest, but fingers crossed we can do it sooner. We will document everything in the Discord and in the channel. Please like and subscribe, help us grow this channel, and I will see you in the next update video next week. Peace.